Welcome to Webit Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to upgrade your Windows 7, 8 or 8.1 to Windows 10. Before starting, make sure you back up all your important files to an external hard drive. If not, at least copy all the important files from the partition in which your current Windows is to an external drive or another partition. In our case, it is from C drive to D or E drive. Generally, you will be making backup of these folders of each user you have in your Windows. Also, make sure your PC meets the system requirements. Now go to Microsoft Windows 10 download page, link is given in the description, and click on Download tool now. After the download completes, open the exe file, then click S. After the setup is ready, click Accept. You will get two options here: upgrade this PC now and create installation media for another PC. If you are planning to update the PC directly, you can go with the first option. With the second option, you can create installation media for Windows 10 either using any flash drive which is at least 8 GB, or you can download the ISO file of the Windows and later burn it into a DVD. With this option, you can upgrade as well as freshly install Windows 10 in any PC. We are planning to upgrade this PC with the second option, so we will take you to another PC for showing the first option. Here we are updating Windows 7. Let's click Next. Now the download has started. We will fast forward the process until we are asked to do something. It is asking for a product key. If you have activated Windows, mostly it will not ask for a product key. So let's type the key and click Next. Here you get options to keep your personal files and apps, or personal files only, or nothing. For some reason, the first option is not enabled for us. We are running this Windows 7 in a virtual machine, so that might be the reason. Let's click Next, then click on Install. From here, the process is same for this method and Windows upgrade using flash drive. So now we will show you the Windows upgrade using flash drive. You can skip to the timestamp shown on the screen if you don't want to watch Windows upgrade using flash drive. Now we are back to Windows 8. Let's select the second option and click on Next. Here you can select language, edition and architecture. Or you can simply click on use the recommended option for this PC if you are planning to upgrade the same PC. Click Next again. Here you get option either to use USB flash drive or download ISO file and burn to a DVD later. You may also use the ISO file to create a bootable flash drive. If you want to follow second option, please check out our other video in the description. Let's click Next again. Now let's insert a flash drive and click Refresh. Select the flash drive and click on Next. Now the download has started. The setup has completed. Let's click on Finish. Now if you are updating different PC, insert the flash drive to the another PC and start the setup. When it is ready, we can see option to change how Windows setup downloads updates. Let's click on it. We don't want to download the updates right now as it will take more time, so we are selecting not right now. But if you want the updates, please do so. Now click Next, then click Accept to accept the license terms. As this Windows is activated, we are not asked for product key. Also, we have all three options available unlike previously on Windows 7. We want to keep both our files and apps, so we will select the first option, and click on next. It is ready to install, so let's click on install. As you can see, the installation has started. It says your PC will restart several times. This might take a while, so we will fast forward this process. One thing to keep in mind if you are using flash drive or DVD method is when the PC restarts, you will have to remove it or it will prompt you with this message. It says if you want to continue with upgrade, remove the media from your PC and click yes. So remove your flash drive or DVD, whichever you are using, and then click on yes. This will not occur if you are using direct update method. It took around 55 minutes to complete. So let's log into our Windows 10 and see whether our old apps from Windows 8 runs or not. It will take some time in our first boot for some initial setups. If you want to change any of these settings, you can do so. Then click on accept. As you can see, all our files and apps are right where we had in our Windows 8. Also, our wallpaper has not changed. Let me start my screen recorder. Let me quickly check some apps. It seems everything is fine. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, comment or suggestions, please let us know in the comment section.